Hey guys, it's time for another test. We have been working on commas and now it's time to go over this test review. So question 1 says, what is the best way to rewrite the following sentence? Would you rather have vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry ice cream? Right away, I want them to notice that it's a list of 3 things. The 3 items are vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream. So you need commas after vanilla. There's already one after chocolate. And because you already have or, you do not need any more commas to separate strawberry ice cream. So when they look at these answer choices, all the words are the same, but the commas are different. So when you look at answer choice A, you can see, yes, they've added that comma by vanilla that was needed. They left the one by chocolate, and strawberry ice cream looks great. When you look at B, however, you'll notice that there's a comma in between strawberry and ice cream. Those aren't 2 separate items, so B is not a good answer choice. In answer choice C, you have the comma after vanilla like it should have been added, but then they deleted the comma after chocolate. Since it is separate from the strawberry ice cream and the vanilla ice cream, we need that comma there to show separation of our list. In answer choice D, there aren't any commas. We don't have a separate list here, so it is no good. So the correct answer is A. Moving on to question number 2. What change, if any, should be made in the following sentence? If you can get your chores done, then you can have a friend over, Grandma Jill replied. What I want them to notice is the tag Grandma Jill replied. They know that when they have a tag, whether it's at the front of the sentence, the end of the sentence, or if it's somewhere in the middle, there are going to be commas that signify, hey, the talking is over, now there's a tag. So it says remove the comma after done. Well, it wouldn't really make sense to do that because then is a conjunction, so we need that comma there. Add a comma after over, which is what I hope that they notice, because that signifies the tag Grandma Jill replied. We wouldn't put a comma before Grandma because the comma needs to be inside the quotation marks when the tag is at the end. And make no change is eliminated because we do need a comma when we have a tag. So B was the correct answer for number 2. Number 3, what change, if any, should be made? Timmy yelled, I don't really want to play. So here, again, I want them to notice Timmy yelled is the tag. And because the tag is at the beginning, the comma will need to go outside the quotation marks. So add a comma after I. You don't really need a pause there, so that's no good. Answer choice B, add an exclamation mark after play. Well, since he's yelling, you could do that, but this test is about commas, and the mistake is there is a comma missing. So even though that could possibly be a change, it's not the thing that should be changed first. The first most important part is adding that comma after yelled. And D, no change, is eliminated. All right, last one, number 4. What is the best way to rewrite the following sentence? Mr. Cooper is coming to visit, so be on your best behavior, warned Miss Hallmark. That could happen any day, so I always want them to be on their best behavior. In this sentence, when you notice the tag, warned Miss Hallmark, there is already a comma there. So that means that we're looking for something else inside this quote that would need a comma. We've gone over conjunctions and we have talked about the acronym fanboys, with the S being so, and that is where you're going to need the comma. So when you're looking at these answer choices, I want them to compare straight up and down which answer choice would be the best. And so when they're looking, they're all the same until you get to so. There's no comma here in A, so it's no good. There's a comma in B, but it is after the word so. And then there is a comma in C before the word so. C is the correct answer. B is no good. Remind your kiddos to bring this review back. If they bring it back and it's been completed, then they can get 10 extra points on this test. Hope you guys studied hard. See you in the morning.